Alright, so there's December update about the Open Game Art org for my UI testing, alright, for some reason. So December 22, 2025. So there it goes. So it's not working right now. So if I go to the home page, some reason it doesn't work. Just remove the same alright, home bro, there we go. So in here, so what's new about this December update? So I changed the cards itself, so it reflects from the website itself. So if I try to open here, so it searched some resources, anything, and then it found something here, images. So it will just display an image here as a album preview. Then of course you can play some multiple previews in here. So you can select, because based on the post, the content, there's multiple here, so you can see there's multiple previews. There's something here like, oh, shame, bro. So here, where a greatest example is there's a multiple image, audio in here. So yeah, you can navigate here without touching the content. So also there's previews in here. There's favorites, number of favorites, number of downloads. You just post one. Then you can see the recent comments itself with the cards and the art content. As you can see, there's what do you call that, content of the art itself. You can see as a preview in here. And then images here, there's a 2D art here. So for example, if you see if the user uploaded one image only, so of course it will show the preview itself in here. And if the user dares to upload multiple images in here, so it will shows the 3 images in here in one preview. So it will just show at the maximum of 4 images, and then it will just show the numbers if overflowing images. There it goes. Okay, that's the update of it. And then of course the navigations, you also change the look of it. It's the same of the contents, but it's just a collection. And then the recent forums, of course you can see the user profile in here. We will call that image, we call that outer, and then the title of the content, the forum, the date was created for some reason, because it was reactivated from the comments, so that's why it's just showing the old section. Of course the affiliates is showed, and here the images, because mix looks nice. But for some reason, this universal LTP spike sheet, they don't have image icon from their website, so you cannot see. It's just a placeholder. And of course, you're wondering what's this all about. It's weird as this is just a full placeholder from Open Game Art. So I don't have any default image, so I just capture some icon, probably accidentally, right? So there's no image here. For example, this one is only audio. As you can see, it's only audio, or no, it's not that thing. So it's only uploaded the audio. So what happened is, instead of using the album here, so it will use the user profile if there's none to check an image. So but the thing is, this user profile is empty also. If you can see, there's no image in here, so I will use the placeholder as an alternative. For example, this is a great example. Is there's an image within the content art here. I forgot there's a user there. There we go. So the user uploaded an album. Of course, there's a multiple audio here. So what happened is just it will show the album as a preview, and then there's also a user profile here. which is nice. See, if there's no image in here like previews, of course we will just use alternative for this one. So there we go. So I delete these. I deleted the preview, so it will just use the profile, user profile, image here. So yeah, based on here, so I'll just show how many. I just scraping here that. Alright, so please use an audio file as a first preview. About art is fine as long as no first preview. Okay, because it goes an error here. Because if they upload some first, if they upload this as a first thing, they will not hear it, of course. Alright. Boom. There we go. Guys, that's it. The next expected to be updated is this one. I try to log in. Boom. Then assuming I already log in because I don't want to show my credential. So this is the API. Alright, if I dare to search in here, I cannot copy that one. HTML preview. Paste that shit. Boom. No. There you go. So as you can see in the preview, my user is here. So that means I'm a login. That means I can upload, search, comment, or whatever I can do with here with my account. So that means my website can handle accounts, like authenticated, like I want to log in and do something with this, please, submit art, browse, set favorites, using this, what do you call that, personal collections. I can do that. That's the future updates of this one. So I'm gonna expect this